In this video, we will delve into the world of chainsaws and wood sawmill machines operating at peak efficiency. These are not just tools, but symbols of strength and technological advancement. Let's start right now. The Norwood lumberpro HD36 is an advanced portable band sawmill that allows users to choose between manual or hydraulic versions. With the capability to cut wood up to a diameter of 36 inches and various accessory options such as a trailer system, log deck, hydraulic log turner, and board return system, the machine offers flexibility and high performance for mobile wood processing needs. The historic sawmill and canning factory preserves the tradition of wood processing with meticulously maintained equipment, including the iconic steam-powered sawmill. This marvel of the century continues to operate today, showcasing the ingenuity and craftsmanship of early industrial wood processing techniques. Listed on the National Register of Historic Places, the factory offers a glimpse into the past as visitors witness its powerful machinery in action, cutting wood as it did a century ago. The WM1000, equipped with an advanced hydraulic system, represents the pinnacle of portable sawmill technology. Designed for heavy-duty cutting operations, this sawmill efficiently and accurately handles large logs. The new hydraulic system enhances ease and operational efficiency, allowing for seamless adjustments and control during the cutting process. Whether for professional use or personal projects, the WM1000 ensures the production of high-quality lumber with increased reliability and performance. The new Logosol 751 band sawmill is a high-quality product made in Sweden. With the capability to saw up to 4.8 meters and handle logs with a diameter of up to 75 centimeters, it is an ideal choice for woodworking workshops. The Logosol band sawmill is robustly designed and offers many innovative solutions, making it easy for users to work efficiently. With fixed saw components, users can quickly and accurately set the desired cutting level. The Logosol 751 band sawmill ensures stability and power, providing the highest efficiency and professionalism in its class. The Meore VTZ 1400 Plus vertical saw is the top choice for wood manufacturers with its outstanding features in speed and efficiency. With a 17 degrees inclined wood carriage design and super-fast servo-electric motor, the machine ensures precise cutting without shocks, optimizing productivity and wood recovery. The intelligent and energy-saving design of the VTZ 1400 Plus, along with its ability to cut both soft and hard wood, makes it an ideal choice for professional sawmills worldwide. Let's visit the Peterson Portable Sawmills factory in Rotorua, New Zealand, to watch wood-cutting expert Chris Brown use the Peterson 10 inches. winch production frame, WPF portable swing blade sawmill to process 10 SX10 redwood beams directly from on-site materials. For over 30 years, the Peterson WPF has been the top choice for smart sawmills, offering high mobility and the ability to cut wood with precision and high quality. This guy is sharing about building and using his homemade portable vertical sawmill. He just successfully cut the largest log ever on the sawmill, powered by a 13 horsepower engine. Fortunately, he had just completed the wood lifting system and had no trouble placing the log onto the sawmill bed. It is astonishing to see the operator's skill and precision when cutting mahogany at an incredibly fast speed, yielding impressive results. Handling mahogany straight, smoothly, and quickly not only requires professional expertise, but also high accuracy to ensure the final product achieves optimal quality. He is spending time and effort repairing an old portable saw, the Lamette 100. The saw had been abandoned for a long time with a bent frame in several places, a shortened axle, missing guides, and many rust spots. After replacing the saw blade, it finally cut. He shared the initial results in a video, mentioning that he encountered a piece of bomb shrapnel in the first log, but luckily it didn't damage the blade. This task is not only a challenge, but also an opportunity for him to demonstrate his craftsmanship and perseverance in woodworking. Thank you for watching the entire video. Click on the suggested videos on the screen to continue exploring more exciting content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.